ngeprazi into ezinjalo ngoba ngiyabo so andifuni into ezaphelelise ofisini iyabetha uprincipal bra embundu bra hayi sozingeze kwamnamosi
no kalithi nowazi wathi inteni ngikhuluma ngabo nganto
hayi bo njani ba utsho ke bra sawuthini uthe bangawe nafundini hayi babaranishini bra
yekeni mantazi mama yekeni
usibalisa le nto yokubethwa kalilithe ofisini uprincipal nje
thinta ngilelithi ukhaya ukaratiwe nawe fundini bethu ngiba
uprincipal fundini principal wakhe the principal himself fundini abetha laa mntu betha laa mntu
principal bambi umthetho uprincipal
sayithatha kancinci le nto ndidunosisiwe
wadunusa
aranisini bra
ya
uprincipal bedabulula
phane mana office ye-boxing ring yanza nobethwa namba
mana atsho ngingxaki Miss Tyler bra no Miss Tyler Miss Tyler ngxaki nguye bra
isibani
Olivia Tyler
thanga
ngomniniso ofikayo othethe English futhi ngaphezulu
misefikayo uprincipal uyazi
akazanga noprincipal akazanga noprincipal usindokucheck
akamabebetha uprincipal mncamisile fonini khona ufike simnikile igama uprincipal akame ezanwele ngathi i-jellyfish hayi kunini saqathela noza uprincipal
betha kuprincipal bra mbotshopa kuye notapha kuye
What
is your problem, 12C? I've been trying by all means to teach you guys, but you disappointed me. Wait, who is this?
From my friend is Kulwini.
I'm my friend, remember, exit the class right now, boy. Leave.
Excuse me.
I'm saying out. Is this your class?
This is not my class. I'm in grade 11. My boy is here in grade 12.
I've been saying out and you're still talking. You're still talking.
No, we're just discussing our dona.
Tina. So by the time
project.
we're doing the project. Project.
Yeah, project.
I don't care about your projects. This is my period. Out. Now.
Tina, what took a period?
Are
you good period? Oh, period. Okay. Okay, I will say that now. Yabo, say that.
Listen, boy, I know that you don't want to see who am I. Tell you wena mandeka so principal mandeka bra.
So I'm gonna better now. I'm gonna better and sit her Dempundu the stone in my class. Don't make the war. I'm going to come shinga look.
Listen, I am not interested to anything that you're saying right now. Just get out. Before things get worse. Get out. Get out! And make sure that I don't see you again here. What did I come here for?